If you love Philly cheesesteak subs, then you are gonna love this upcoming recipe. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, if you love cheesesteak subs, then I think you're really gonna love this recipe. As you all know, it is National Grilled Cheese Month, and I've been making all kinds of different grilled cheeses. So today, I am gonna make a Philly style grilled cheese sandwich. So I'm gonna quickly go over all the ingredients and then we'll get started. All right, my friends, so here I have some Italian bread. My store only had the pre-cut. If I was cutting this myself, I would definitely cut thicker slices than what these are, but this is all my store had, so I just went with it. I have some olive oil. I love hoagie spread on my cheesesteak subs, so I'm putting it on my grilled cheese sandwich as well. You do not have to do that. Mayo, butter. I have some mozzarella cheese. I have about a half a cup of mozzarella cheese there and 2 slices of provolone. I have Philly style cheesesteak. We get a meat delivery every 6 months, and we get these all the time because we make steak subs. And then I have some red onion. And friends, that is everything that I'm using today. So let's get started. So friends, as you saw, not a lot of ingredients. Now let's head over to the stove. All right, my friends, turn the stove on. We're gonna add a little bit of olive oil. What I'm gonna do first is cook my onion. And you don't have to use onion if you don't want to. Let that get heated up just a few minutes. And then I'm gonna cook my onion and then add my steak. I just wanted to give you a close up of the steak. This is how it comes. Okay, now let's go ahead, add in our onion. And this will make, I have a pound of the beef here. It'll make 2 to 3 sandwiches. It really depends on how thick you like your sandwich. I'm gonna go ahead and just cook all of it, and I'll use the other half for another sandwich on another day. I'll just cook it up and freeze it. So we're gonna let this cook just for a few minutes, and then I'm gonna add in my steak. Alrighty, while my steak or onions are cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and just butter my bread, and that way that's one less thing I need to do. And like I said, friends, this was pre-sliced. My store did not have the bread that wasn't sliced, so I would definitely slice this a little bit thicker than, a lot thicker, honestly. This is how thin that is, if you can see that. I definitely would go thicker. Alrighty, friends, onions are starting to cook. Alright, I'm just going to push them over there. And I'm going to go ahead and add in my steak. So my onions cook on the side there. I think I'm going to season it with a little bit of salt and pepper. Okay, and then we'll just go ahead and let this cook up. And then once that's cooked, we'll just take everything out, mix it together, and take it all out. Alright, my friends, my steak is now cooked, so I'm just going to go ahead and add my onion in there and mix it up. I definitely should have cooked more onion. I should have done a half of an onion. So I'm going to take half of this out just because I'm only going to make one sandwich. So I'm going to take half out. So now what I'm going to do, just to try to get this to hold together a little better, I'm going to add half of my mozzarella cheese. Okay, just like that. And I have my bread ready over here already. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn this heat down a little bit. My breaded side down. I am going to add a little, that's a lot of mayonnaise, that's a little too much mayo. And then I'm going to add a little bit of my, get some of my juice out, my red peppers. Okay, just like that. And then we are just going to bring this up. I think it'll help if I use a spatula. Pop that right on our sandwich. Oh, I meant to put a piece of provolone cheese on the bottom. Oops. I guess they'll both be going on top now. Oh, meant to put provolone cheese on that. I have 2 slices. Next, actually, we're going to do some more mozzarella. Okay, so what I'll do is, let's see if we can, and we're going to put our cheese right on top. Let me see if we can, now I don't think I should try to flip that quite yet. Let's wait for that cheese to melt. We're just going to do 2 pieces of cheese on top, and then just finish that off. Okay, then we're going to let that cook just for about 3 minutes or so. Alright, and then we'll flip it. Alright, my friends, we're going to go ahead and flip this now. Look at that deliciousness. I wish I had cheese on that bottom piece because it helps hold it in a little bit better, but not too bad. Can't believe I forgot to do that. Look at that, friends. Does that look good or what? I can't wait to do a taste test. We'll be back in about 2 minutes. Alright, my friends, we are done. Now let's go ahead and take this out, plate it up, let it cool for a few, and we will do a taste test. Alright, my friends, let's check it out. Let's see what it looks like. Oh my goodness. Oh, this looks so delicious. Oh wow, look at that. Ooh, look at that, my friends. Oh, let's do a quick taste test. Alright, my friends, here it is. Oh my goodness, it looks so delicious. Cannot wait to bite in. Oh man. So anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. And if you don't mind, could you go check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.